Okay, so this is Ro-Saber Alpha, which is a Beat Saber game, which on Roblox, which I am going to do a tutorial of this game. It's about to like close down, so let's do auto generated. Let's do crab rave. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's quit the song. Okay, so let's do double saber. On. Now let's play. How do you do double saber? Wait, what? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Oh, don't ever play this. Okay, that was just a tutorial. Do not ever. Okay, wait, let's play this one thing. Community made. What's this? What? What the heck? That's it? That's stupid Among Us. Look, Fisher. It was like Among Us. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, we can do. What is enemy? That's not it. What's the? It's raining tacos. Let's try this.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum.
They're just so low to the ground.
Yum, 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 yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce,
I wonder if I can finish this.
shell, meat, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese.
It's raining tacos.
Okay, that was a hard song. So, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.